This image that you are seeing right here was created using Nano Banana. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create studio photos just like this, and you can make this using your image in just few steps. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create high professional photo shoots using your image as a reference photo. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online and I show you how you can make money. So please like this video, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss whenever I share valuable content like this. All right, having said that, let's just go straight into the video. Now, to create a photo like this or a photo like this, all you need to do is to have the tools on your phone. So let me quickly show you the tool that we are going to be using. The tool that we're going to be using is known as Nano Banana. All right, Nano Banana, but there is a major name. Most people call it, they call it Gemini. So for us to use the tool, we have to go to Gemini, we have to go to Google Play Store and download Gemini app. You can see this is the app here on my phone. So if we come here, come to Google Play Store, we open it, and then the next thing to do is to come to the search here and just type Gemini app. All right, Gemini. Okay, you can see this is the app. As you can see here, mine is showing open because I've already installed it. As you can see here, it's showing installed. So in your own case, since you have not installed it, it will show you install. So you click on install and install it. Once you install it to your phone, you are going to have the app right on your phone here. Okay, you're going to have the app here. So all you need to do is to enter into the app. Okay, now let me just go away from here and let me start something new. Okay, now once you download the app, you need to make sure that you set it. Okay, you need to set it here. You come here and set it. Let me click this 2.5 flash. In some cases, you're going to see 2.5 pro, so make sure you click on the pro. For me now, I'm using this fast for now. All right, you can try the 3 pro, but for this tutorial we're just using the 2.5 flash. So you make sure it is set to that. Okay, and then before we now create the image, we must have to create a prompt. All right, prompt, in case you don't understand, prompt is just what we tell it to do. So we want to create something like a studio photo. We are going to need a reference picture. All right, you can take a selfie of yourself and then we are going to use it as a reference picture. In my case, I already have a reference picture. So first of all, let's create the prompt. So for us to create the prompt, we are going to go straight to ChatGPT. We're going to come to ChatGPT here and then we are going to pick a prompt. So as you can see, this is a prompt that I have just created. As you can see, right? Let's just recreate the prompt and tell it something. I want the picture. I want the picture. I've already created this prompt before, but I want us to just create something else. I want the picture to be outdoor. Right? I want the picture to be outdoor. Create the prompt. Create the prompts. Now let's just see what ChatGPT is going to give us. In case you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, you can also download the app just the same way we did with the Gemini app. Just go to Play Store and then type ChatGPT. It's going to bring out the app for you and then you can download it. So now we have our prompt ready. So we're just going to copy the prompt here, and then go to we're going to go to my notepad. This is where you're going to have to fine-tune or edit your prompt. Let's paste it. We paste it here, and then when we paste it, now we are going to just re-edit a little bit of the prompt. Okay, now this part that says create, I'd like to change it to generate. I like the word generate. Okay, and then we remove this part. All right, we want to make it beautiful we use generate. Now take some time to read this prompt so you can remove whatever you don't like, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm just going to work with it almost just the way it is like this. I don't want to change much, just do a little of the editing. And here we're telling it not to alter my identity, do not alter my identity, and then we say Lagos urban setting. Now let me remove some of these things here, just follow me. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, because this is value you're getting here and you don't want to miss anything, I believe so. So please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe. So we remove this and then we already have our prompts. So let's just copy this and then we take it back to our Gemini app. So we've copied it right here. So we're going to go to Gemini app and then we are going to insert that prompt there. We are going to insert the prompt here. First of all, before we insert the prompt, before we paste it, we need to just pick our reference photo. Remember I told you that you need to take a picture of yourself, or you look for pictures you've taken by yourself, and then we go to this place where you have plus here. Click on the plus. Once you click on the plus, what you're going to do is to come to your gallery here, click on it once, and then we want to pick a picture, right? We want to pick a picture. So you scroll down and then go to where you have your pictures, pick any of your pictures. So let me just pick something from here. Okay, let me just pick something from here. Follow me guys. So I would have loved to pick this, but let me just see if I have something else. So let me just pick this one and then we add it. All right, so it's going to load up the image here. While it's loading up, I'll add the prompt and paste it here. All right, once this is fully loaded, it will activate this arrow here so that we can enter it. So let's just wait for it to complete the loading process. So it's done now. So we just click on this arrow that is pointing to the right. So we click on it and then it will start creating and generating our photo. Okay, so you can see that it's loading. Let's see the beautiful photo that it's going to generate for us. Now while we wait for the photo, here's one thing I need you to know. You can actually use this to create photo shoots, headshots for your LinkedIn, for your social media profile, for your photos. This is a very good way for you to reduce cost if you don't really have the budget to take photos in the studio. And this is quite very good, very easy if you don't have enough money to spend on photo shoot. So let's just check. Beautiful. You can see our image is already created. This is very beautiful and I kind of love this. Let me just click on it so you see. This is very beautiful. All right, this is beautiful and you can use this for different purposes. Another thing you can do is to recreate it. If you want this guy to be like a headshot, we can actually tell the Gemini app to make it a headshot. If you're satisfied with what you want, all you need to do is to click save. Once you click save, it will be downloaded to your phone. But before we leave, let's just test and see if we can change this image to a headshot. So what we are going to do is to click here and then come here, ask Gemini and say recreate. Are you seeing now? Recreate this image into a headshot and still maintain the feel, or let's just say maintain the feel. Then we say make sure it's black and white, and then we click on enter. So once we click on enter, it's going to generate the image for us. So as you can see, it's already generating the image. So let's just wait for it to load. So once you're satisfied with what you have, all you need to do is to click on the save button. So let's wait for this. It's already generating, as you can see. This is beautiful. Right here you can see that it has generated the headshot for us, and this is quite beautiful. If you click on it, you can see the full image. This is very beautiful, and this is something you can actually use if you're a music artist, if you are somebody that has to do with art, and you can also use this for your professional photos on your bio on LinkedIn or on any social media of your choice. So this is exactly how you can create hyper realistic photos or headshots or studio photographs without having to go to the studio, just by using AI tools, just by using Nano Banana. If you got value from this video, please, before you leave, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have questions for me, please drop it in the comment section, and do well to check the link in the description so you don't miss all of the more resources that I have for you. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.